An honest IAS officer has been pulled up by the Tamil Nadu government for preaching and propagating religion, as it could trigger communal tensions. But Uma Shankar has cried foul, saying he has been targeted by the BJP and RSS for exposing corruption. He has also alleged that the state government's move is unconstitutional. So will the Tamil Nadu government clarify?
நரகத்தில் உள்ளவங்க பரலோகத்தை பார்க்க முடியுமே தவிர பரலோகத்துக்கு வர முடியாது. அல்லேலூயா. ஒரே ஒரு ரூட்டில் தான் பரலோகத்துக்கு வர முடியும். அது இயேசு அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ரூட் தான்.
It could be very difficult for anybody who meets him first at a gathering like this to guess that he is an IAS officer. Meet Uma Shankar from Tamil Nadu, who has been preaching for the last 3 years. Suddenly, he gets a notice from the state government to stop preaching and propagating religion, being a member of service.
Even on a working day, what I do on during my time, that is after 6 o'clock, it's my business. No government, no BJP, no RSS, no Hindu Munnani can question. It's purely my personal life, and I am entitled to have my personal life, my personal liberty.
The officer is claiming that threats from fringe groups have escalated in the recent past, leading to the notice.
Tamil Nadu Chief Secretary's diktat to Uma Shankar comes just days after he came under attack from fringe groups in Kanyakumari. According to police sources, they allege that Uma Shankar's visit to Kanyakumari creates communal tension.
I have been attacked by RSS, BJP cadres, not once but twice. This is the third time it has happened. The RSS people, BJP people tried to kill me. And the one option I had was to go to the government and request for protection. But if the government has joined them, where is the protection?
The BJP not taking the charge, lying down. They accuse him of flouting rules.
He's using his office in a sense, implicitly, and it doesn't matter if it's a holiday. But if he wants to preach anything, he can give a speech at the church. But to go around to the public, that is in a way activity tantamount to conversion activity, and is against the law.
The bureaucrat enjoying the support of his community while the state remains silent.
He is a man of absolute integrity, a very honest officer. He believes in a style of proclamation for which he is entitled to. He is entitled to. And Constitution gives him protection.
While the debate over the IAS officer's religious practice rages on, several questions have been raised over the constitutional rights of Uma Shankar and the liberty to preach his religion that remain unanswered. Bureau Report, Times Now.